Almost. Well, hey guys, this is Orlando from Wildflower Leathers. Today we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing of something that I've had here for a while. This is the Okluma DC0. And let's do a little quick unboxing. I'm not going to go over specs or anything. I'll leave a quick link down below where you can get one if you like, if they're available. But look at the packaging. Very, very, very impressed. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, here it is. Look at the branding. Little card. So you got the item signature, the letter of authenticity. Oh, well, I really butchered that, didn't I? But here it is. Comes in this nice little soft cloth. And here it is. Feels great in the hands. All right, we'll come back to this here in a bit. Let's see what else is in there. Check in here, huh? Take this out. Look at that. Just branding everywhere. Oh, so you get a little goodies down here. Looks like it's like a patch or a coaster of some kind. And some stickers. Can't really get that one. There you go. Really dig the logo. Alright, so let's put this away and let's take a look at the torch. So this is the Okluma DC0 torch flashlight. It's all full titanium. And yeah, this feels very, very nice. Really like the texture here. Again, this isn't an actual full in-depth review. It's just a kind of unboxing and first impressions, and really dig it. Let's kind of take it apart really quickly. Man, everything just looks really, really well done. Man, the battery is really what gives it the weight. And the emitter. But man, this is just a piece of art. Check it out. Look at the details on the grip. That clip. Really love the design of it. And I really like this piece. So when you turn it on, we'll leave it on for a while. There you go. That's the highest setting. And you turn it off, you kind of have that glow in the dark type of effect. I thought that's a very, very nice touch, and I don't really think I've seen any other flashlight do that. Look at that. Here's a quick comparison to the tactile Apollo. I think theirs is a collaboration with another maker. They're very much, I wouldn't say alike. They're not identical, of course, but you could see there's some inspiration of some kind from one another. Not sure from who, but yeah, like look at the clip. The Okluma is much taller than the Apollo. So in the Apollo, you don't have that glow in the dark type of effect after you turn it off. But yeah. But let me know, do you guys own one of these? Is this something you guys have been in the market for? I know it's a premium EDC item, but finally got my hands on one. And gotta say, I dig it. I've been carrying the Apollo in this slip, the tunnel rock slip right here. Fits very nicely, but I think I'm going to switch it out. This is going to be into my new carry. It's going to come into the rotation, and look at that. Fits really nice. Well, yeah, thanks guys for watching this quick little unboxing and first impressions. If you guys have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them down below in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Peace.